the United States of Biafra government post participation of the United States of Biafra mission at the ADDI Burkina Faso Summit. In the spirit of liberation, decolonization, Pan-Africanism, and African unity, the United States of Biafra mission is honored to participate in the ADDI Burkina Faso Summit. The mission will be duly represented by the head of African Affairs and Zambian head of mission, Honorable Bishop Nwaizu. We look forward to engaging with the esteemed people of Burkina Faso alongside fellow Africans and friends of Africa in attendance to foster dialogue and collaboration aimed at advancing the shared vision of African growth, self-reliance, and sustainable development. Signed, Honorable Ada Eze, Foreign Affairs. Now, hosted by ADDI, African Diaspora Development Institute, you are invited to participate in History 2025 ADDI Burkina Faso Pathway to Citizenship and Business Summit, October 26th through November 8th, 2025. All roads lead to Ouagadougou Kingdom, Burkina Faso, bringing Africa to the world and the world to Africa. United we stand, divided we fall. Ibrahim Traore, Purpose, Unity, Collaboration, Reconnection, Empowerment, Investment, Partnership, Development, Solidarity, Recognition. Dr. Erikana Chiombori Kwao, Pan-African Conversations, Business Summit and Trade Expo, Trade Fair and Promotion, Leader Engagements, Cultural Immersion, Community Outreach, Permanent Residency Ceremony. Who can join? Open to African business leaders, investors, media, and individuals committed to Pan-African development. Why attend? Network, invest, and make history as part of a global Pan-African movement. Honorable His Royal Highness Joshua Mapanga, Dr. Umar Johnson, PLO Lumumba, that has the contact information, sponsorship, and media. Looking like it's based in Southern Africa. So, yep, we got Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, Zambia, those regions. The Kazangula region, no countries are coming together. We got the East African Federation connection, DRC Congo. You got the Biafra and the Sahel Alliance with access to the Kanem Bornu Empire, the Borgu Empire, Chad and Sudan, Ethiopia, Northern Nigeria. So that looks like it will be next. Northern Nigeria, Chad, Sudan, and who knows, maybe the Ethiopia Federation. They have the African Union headquarters, so they have to participate eventually. But yeah, it looks like Northeast Africa is next. Starting with Biafra and Sudan as far as the Sahel, the jihads and Arab genocide going on. So that's what it looks like.